I got all kinds of stuff going on right now. You guys know that I'm down at Safe House now. I'm in rotation there. I'm there actually tonight. I've got some flyers out. Victor Salazar put one together for me. Thank you for that. My friend Ian in the UK put another one together for me. They're kind of circulating on social media. Share them if you want to come down tonight. If you're in the Milwaukee area, come visit. Let's have fun. Let's get weird. That's something that I didn't expect to happen this year, and it's super cool. But something else came up, and I haven't said anything about it, and I didn't want to say anything about it until I actually had a meeting on it. Still kind of in the early stages, but I'm actually going to be teaching a class for DJs on sound reinforcement and lighting. It's a hands-on class. The first one, I think it's going to be the last week of April. We're still in the early planning stages of this. The agency that I work with asked me to do it. They have a facility where they do a lot of musical instruction, and most of it is like piano and strings and horns and things. They're a band agency, but they also do a lot of music education. And they've been trying to figure out a way to help some of the local DJs who may want to improve their skills. What I don't want to do is teach people how to be artists. That's not where I think I would serve them well. But what I do want to do is some audio fundamentals and some lighting fundamentals. How to get the most out of the equipment that you have. System building, audio chains, pre-fade listen, unity gain, coupling subs, choosing the right sound system for your event, things like that. I've got a list of things that I want to cover in the audio portion of this course. And then there's going to be a lighting course as well, talking about some of the different types of lighting and ways that you can effectively use lighting at your events and control it. Not getting too in depth with anything. It could be something that you could get involved with at an intermittent level, or it's something you could get involved with if you've been DJing for years. Hopefully, I'll be sharing something that even a seasoned pro can get something out of. That's the goal. And the way we're going to structure it, I think we talked about doing 3 sessions, like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday kind of thing, and one price for all of it. Their evening classes, like maybe an hour-ish each, to just cover some of that stuff. And this will be our first time out doing this. So I'll learn as I go. But there's a lot of interest locally in, how to, improve or be better. And again, I don't want to talk about the art. I want to talk about the tech stuff. And this is hands-on. I put a post up about this on Facebook, and a lot of people asked if I was going to stream it. If you go on this channel and you look, I've got tons of videos on how to do a lot of this stuff. But what I can't express in videos is audio as well as I'd like to. You almost have to be there in the room to see what the effect of what I do is. You know what I mean? I don't know how else to describe it. I can tell you how to couple subs, but you can't hear the difference. I can tell you how to achieve unity gain, but you can't hear the benefits of it. The hands-on class, I think, will be good. So I'm looking forward to it. This is just something else. It's kind of a surprise this year. If it goes well, maybe we'll do them monthly. Maybe we'll do them bi-monthly. Who knows? But it's going to be fun. And the way it's going to be set up, I believe, is you're going to pay for the whole course up front. And then, you can just come every night. I think we're talking about a 7 o'clock start time on this. Yeah, new adventure. Looking forward to it. So that's just another thing I have going on coming up this season. In the meantime, stay tuned for more of the same on the channel. I will post something from tomorrow night's club gig, which I'm having so much fun with. And things are happening a little faster there than I anticipated. There might be some cool new stuff we might be doing down there. We'll see. I don't know. I'm trying to tread lightly. I'm trying not to go in there and cause too many waves right away. But as they approach me, yeah, let's do some cool new fun stuff. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, just a quick vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, if you're in town, if you want to come down to Safe House, come down and say hi. I'd love to see you. Start at 9 o'clock, go to close. Let's get weird. See you then. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Practice and enjoy.